Today, I'm going to be learning the secrets behind all of my favorite Greek dishes in a 3-hour cooking class here in Athens.
So welcome everybody. I'm gonna discover with you all the secrets of the Greek cuisine. While we're cooking, I want you to nibble and drink it all the time, okay? We're gonna make 6 dishes and 1 dessert.
So this class is super hands-on. We're all participating. It's a great group, and our guide knows so much about Greek cuisine.
I think the most fun thing for them is just when they're making very difficult dishes. I mean, for the Viator, it's so difficult to make it. So when they're doing something difficult, they feel like they're very proud, so they enjoy that part. Oh, they're nice. It's very nice.
So we've prepared 5 of the 6 dishes. Everything's cooking in the kitchen, and then it is time to eat. I'm starving. Another home run. My compliments to the chef. It was me.
The one that I think was the most fun was probably the zucchini balls.
Put it there in the pressure top.
Yeah, it's such a good time. It was nice to meet people from all over the world and like fresh ingredients. It was fun.
The most important thing for the tour is just to connect the other people from other country, and all this multicultural experience is very important to us.
That was such an incredible experience. I loved everyone I met, and our guide was such an expert in Greek cuisine. I'm full, but I cannot wait to make some of these dishes when I get home.